Hi, we are Bolden
and Griffin.
for demonstration this time.
Recently, voter turnout of many young people have been gradually increasing, but still, many young people have not been participate in voting.
So we are going to talking about best way to vote for 20 and high school students.
When election period comes, election posts are incentive. This is election post. Election post contains guidelines and party and candidates information poster. This is the guideline. We can see when to vote and where to vote. And this is the poster of candidates.
When voting, we need a identification such as certificate of residence, driver license, passport, and other things to check identity by public institution. So let us show how to vote. In other words, voting procedure. Bolden is voter and Griffin is explainer.
First, go to polling station and show identification to poll worker. And then sign on electoral register. And move to next desk and take ballot paper. Next, move voting booth and stamp on your candidate. But there is a caution. Caution number 1, there is no need to fold ballot paper. Non-folding is okay, and folding once is also okay, and folding twice is also okay. Folding is on your mind. And caution 2. Stamp on candidates clearly. This is the best way to stamp on, but this is not. It has crossing the line. It is so ambiguous to recognize. So this is the right one. And then you take ballot paper and put into ballot box. Voting is finished. You go back home. It is very easy and simple way to participate in voting.
But inevitably, if you don't have a time for voting, there is an early voting. Early voting goes on for 2 days, 5 days before on voting. Early voting is similar to popular voting. For local residents, early voting is same as popular voting. So let us show popular voting again. But if you are not a local resident, there is a little difference. After voting, you have only to put the voting paper in the sending envelope and put the envelope into the ballot box. It's very simple.
After voting, many people take picture like this and upload their social media. But sometimes it makes problems. Problems ask for 10 years of prison labor, and they incur you a fine of 6 million won.
So when you take a picture, you should be careful. You must not take a voting paper photo. And your voting photograph must not contain specific file. And candidate's number. And candidate's photo. So, if you know this caution, your photo is desirable. Until now, we recognize how to vote properly. Voting is our exercise of power and beautiful thing. So, your precious one voting will decide our future and our children's future. Doing like this, we will together participate in democracy legitimately and beautifully.
If you have a question, please visit this website, and you get a new information about election and voting.
Thank you for listening to our demonstration.
Question. When you do the early voting, do you have to seal the envelope before you put it in the ballot box?
No, it's hiding.
No, but the envelope, do you have to seal it?
Yes.
Because he didn't seal it.
Sealing in fluid.
Okay. So he did it wrong?
This box is small, so it didn't fit.
But the envelope, does it have to be sealed?
Yes.
Because he left the envelope open.
This here?
Yeah.
It's no matter.
It doesn't have to, the envelope does not have to be closed?
Yes.
Yes, it has to be closed? The envelope is not like glued or taped shut. The envelope is still open.
Maybe we see.
Does the envelope have to be glued
Yes.
shut? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And then does it go all the way inside the box?
Yes.
Okay.
Each box is small, so we give it.
Okay. But the envelope should be glued shut?
Yes.
Sealed?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And then when you actually vote,
Yes.
like in the U.S., we just like check with a pen.
After voting.
But in Korea, do you have to use that like red stamp thing?
Yes.
Your personal stamp?
No. You know, ballot box. In voting booth, stamp is already heavy.
Okay, so it's not your personal stamp?
Yes.
Yes, it's your personal stamp? Okay. There's just a red stamp? Everybody uses the same one?
Same shape.
Okay, everybody uses the same one? Okay. Okay.